Let me ask you something personal. Do you remember the last time you woke up in the morning and actually felt good? Not tired, not stiff, not reaching for coffee just to open your eyes. Genuinely alive. My name is Smith, and 3 years ago, at 63 years old, I was exhausted by noon every single day. My doctor said it was just age, but it wasn't age. It was what I was and wasn't putting in my body. Today, I'm going to share 12 energy foods that literally changed how I feel, how I move, and how I live after 60. And stay with me until number 7, because that one surprised me the most. You know, nobody tells you this when you turn 60. Nobody sits you down and says, hey, your body is going to need different fuel now. They just hand you a list of things to avoid, things to stop eating, things to give up. And slowly, without even realizing it, you start feeling less like you. Less energy, less motivation, maybe even less joy. But here's what I've come to believe with everything in me. 60 is not the finish line. It's the beginning of a whole new chapter. And your body, it's still capable of incredible things if you give it the right support. So today, we're not talking about what to take away. We're talking about what to add. 12 powerful, simple, real foods that your body after 60 is literally begging for. Let's begin. The first food is one you probably already have in your kitchen: eggs. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. Aren't eggs bad for cholesterol? For years, that's what we were told. But science has come a long way, and here's what we now know. Eggs are one of the most complete sources of protein on the planet. And after 60, protein is everything. It keeps your muscles strong, your mind sharp, and your energy steady throughout the day. 2 eggs in the morning and you'll feel the difference. Next, oats. Simple, humble oats. There's a reason your grandmother probably ate oatmeal every morning. Oats release energy slowly, like a long, steady fire. No spike, no crash, just calm, consistent fuel for your body. They also support your heart, your digestion, and even your sleep. Start your day with oats, and you'll notice you're not reaching for a snack by 10 a.m. anymore. Bananas, nature's original energy bar, packed with potassium, magnesium, and natural sugars that your muscles and your heart absolutely love. If you ever feel that afternoon slump hit you like a wall, reach for a banana instead of a biscuit. Your body will thank you within minutes. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a gift, truly. Rich in complex carbohydrates, vitamin B6, and antioxidants that fuel your brain and your body at the same time. They're gentle on your stomach, they're filling, and they taste like comfort food. Roast them, mash them, bake them, however you like, just eat them. Now we come to spinach, and I want you to pay attention here. After 60, iron deficiency is one of the most overlooked reasons people feel constantly tired. Spinach is loaded with iron, folate, and vitamin K, all critical for your blood, your bones, and your brain. Add a handful to your eggs, toss it in soup, blend it in a smoothie. You won't even taste it, but you will feel it. Almonds and walnuts. A small handful of nuts, almonds or walnuts, every single day. Think of nuts as tiny packages of brain fuel. Healthy fats, vitamin E, and omega-3s that protect your memory, reduce inflammation in your joints, and keep your heart beating strong. I keep a small bowl on my kitchen counter. Every time I walk by, I grab a few. It's one of the smallest habits with one of the biggest payoffs. Blueberries, the special one. And here we are, number 7, the one I promised you. Blueberries. I know, they look so small, so simple, but these tiny little berries are one of the most powerful things you can put in your body after 60. They're loaded with antioxidants called anthocyanins, and studies show they literally help protect your brain cells from aging. People who eat blueberries regularly report sharper memory, better focus, and even improved mood. But here's the part that got me. One study found that older adults who consumed blueberries daily saw measurable improvement in memory in just 12 weeks. 12 weeks? That's 3 months for something that costs less than $2 a cup. Add them to your oats, eat them frozen, toss them in yogurt. Just please start eating blueberries. Avocado, the heart's best friend. Healthy monounsaturated fats that lower bad cholesterol, raise good cholesterol, and keep your blood pressure in a healthy range. Plus potassium, even more than a banana. Spread it on toast, slice it with eggs, or just eat it with a pinch of salt. Beautiful, nourishing food. Greek yogurt is your gut's greatest ally. After 60, gut health becomes everything because your gut controls your immune system, your mood, and yes, your energy. Greek yogurt is full of probiotics that balance your gut bacteria, plus it's high in protein and calcium for strong bones. Choose plain, unsweetened, and add your blueberries right on top. Salmon at least twice a week. Omega-3 fatty acids that reduce joint inflammation, protect your heart, sharpen your mind, and even help with depression. If fresh salmon feels expensive, canned salmon works just as well. Your joints, your brain, your heart, all of them respond to this food in ways you will feel. Beets, the hidden powerhouse most people ignore completely. Beets contain nitrates that your body converts into nitric oxide, which literally opens up your blood vessels and improves circulation. More blood flow means more oxygen to your muscles and your brain. More oxygen means more energy. Roast them, juice them, or buy them pre-cooked. Just give them a chance. And now I saved the best for last, dark chocolate. Yes, I am telling you, eat chocolate. 70% cocoa or higher, rich in magnesium, antioxidants, and compounds that actually improve blood flow to the brain. A small square or two every day. It lifts your mood, feeds your heart, and gives you something wonderful to look forward to. Life after 60 should still have joy in it. And dark chocolate? That's joy you can eat guilt-free. Friend, I want you to hear this. You're not too old. You're not past your best days. The body you're living in right now, it still wants to heal. It still wants to thrive. It is still listening to every choice you make. These 12 foods are not a miracle cure, but they are a message you send your body every day that says, I still care about you. I'm still investing in you. We still have places to go. Start with one, add another next week. Be patient and be kind to yourself. And if number 7, those beautiful little blueberries inspired you today, go get some tomorrow morning. Put them in your oats, pour yourself a cup of tea, sit by the window, and feel what it feels like to truly take care of yourself. You deserve that every single day. If this helped you today, please share it with someone you love who is over 60. They need to hear this too.